Welcome to Cute Easy Drawings.
Let's create and play. Together we can draw every single day.
3, 2, 1, start! Hi everyone! Today we're drawing a cute cup of hot chocolate. Grab your pencils and let's get started. Start with the cup. First, draw a horizontal line. Now, draw another parallel line just below it. Connect both ends with curved lines to form the rim of the cup. This drawing is super cute and it's really easy to follow. Draw the cup's body. From the left side of the rim, draw a line going down. Do the same on the right side. Subscribe to Cute Easy Drawings. Join the two lines at the bottom with another curved line. Look, we got the cup. I love how simple this drawing is. Anyone can do it. Add cute big eyes. Draw 2 big circles near the top of the cup. Inside each circle, draw 2 smaller circles. 1 big for the sparkle and 1 tiny for extra shine. This is such an easy and fun drawing. You're going to love it! Color in the eyes, but leave the smaller circles white. These 2 big eyes just the cutest thing ever? See how the eyes come to life? Every step makes this drawing cuter and cuter, doesn't it? Add a cute little smile below the eyes to make it even more adorable. Draw the coffee and toppings. Inside the cup, draw a wavy line for the coffee surface. Look at that! It's already turning out so adorable! Now, draw a chocolate bar sticking out on one side. It's easy, just a rectangle with lines for the chocolate squares. Subscribe to Cute Easy Drawings! Next, draw a Christmas candy cane on the other side. And add stripes to make it festive. Much fun adding all these little details to make it look even cuter. Add final details. Add some texture to the chocolate by drawing little lines. contain bold stripes for a fun look. I just love how this little character is coming to life. If something doesn't look right, you can always try again. Finish with decorations. Draw 2 tiny hearts floating above the cup to make it extra cute. And there you have it, a cozy cup of hot chocolate with cute decorations. Let's start coloring. Now, let's add some color to make it come alive. This is the fun part. Let's use bright colors to make it even more adorable. Remember, you can choose any colors you like. Make it your own. I love how the colors are turning out. It's looking so cute. Don't worry if you go outside the lines. It's all part of the creative process. Wow! Look at how amazing it turned out with all those colors! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.